You know, all these years when people want to buy a new phone, they always ask, should I get an iPhone? Or should I get the latest Android phone? Should I get a bar phone? Or do you think a foldable is better? You know what? In 2026, my answer is you can own an iPhone and you can still enjoy a foldable because the Honor Magic V6 is now fully supporting the Apple ecosystem. So in this video, let me show you. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So why do I say that the Honor Magic V6 is now fully supporting the Apple ecosystem? Well, you can now access all your iCloud files on this foldable and you don't even need to touch your iPhone. So how do you do that? So all you need to do is reach out for the Honor Magic V6, open the Files app, go to iCloud on the tab on the left side there, and then once you are done logging into your iCloud account, you will be able to access all your files, all your photos, all your notes. For example, like what I'm doing here, if I want to open a photo from my iPhone, it opens instantly and you can download to your Honor Magic V6 as well. Similarly, you can also download files from iCloud like this. This is a PDF file that I have on my iCloud and also on my iPhone, but now it's on my Honor Magic V6. So that's how you access all your files and folders using iCloud on the Honor Magic V6. AirDrop from iPhone to Android, from Android to iPhone, can meh? Now the answer is can. All you need to do, very simple. Just take a photo on your Android, or if there's a file on your Android phone, tap the thing on your iPhone and then you'll see the animation just like an AirDrop animation from iPhone to iPhone. Now it's possible with the Android phone and the file transfers instantly and you'll be able to check out the photo from your iPhone as well, okay? Now, because the connection is so fast, just like AirDrop, you can also transfer video files from your Honor Magic V6 to the iPhone within just mere seconds, just like what you see here, okay? So, same thing, if you have a photo or a video, or if you don't have, just shoot a video like me and then just tap to share and then tap your devices together and it transfers instantly. And you don't just limit yourself with the iPhone because the Honor Magic V6 allows you to transfer via AirDrop-ish to Mac devices as well. So on my MacBook Neo, okay, in this demo I show you on my MacBook Neo, you can tap the V6 above the trackpad of the MacBook and then it enables the connection and you instantly see the file is transferred to the Mac and you can open the photo on the Mac straight away. So easy. So if one day you realize that the screen on your MacBook is not big enough, you want an extra screen, okay? And you don't have an extra screen with you like a big giant monitor at home. How? Don't worry, because now you have this screen that can be an extension of your MacBook screen. So all you need to do is just install the app called Honor Workstation on your Mac and then enable Magic Ring on both the app and also on your Honor Magic V6, and instantly you'll be able to enable screen extension and it extends your MacBook desktop onto your Honor Magic V6 like what you see here. I can now freely drag any windows from my Mac to the Honor Magic V6, and the special thing is because the Honor Magic V6 has a touchscreen, I can now touch my Mac desktop just like this. I can press the play button, I can pause the video, I can drag the videos around, I can enlarge files, and you know what? I can also edit videos from my Mac, but on the Honor Magic V6 screen. Just like what you see here, I can now touch everything on this CapCut video editor that I'm using to edit this video. So amazing, right? It's truly an extension of your Mac on this gigantic foldable screen now. How is this foldable going to support your Apple ecosystem if it cannot support your Apple AirPods? Correct? So now, once it's connected, you can see the animation just like how you see the animation and also the battery status on your iPhone on the Honor Magic V6, and the moment you wear it, it will detect that you are wearing the AirPods on your ears, and then your media will start playing. Apart from that, you can also change or customize the noise cancellation, adaptation, transparency from the Honor Magic V6, or by just pressing the stamp on your AirPods, just like how you operate it with an iPhone. So as you can see here, I can control the music playback from the AirPods by tapping or double tapping to skip tracks, or tapping one more time to pause, and I can also swipe up and down on my AirPods to control the volume of the media playing on the Honor Magic V6. Now, apart from that, there's also ear detection or wear detection. That also means if you remove it from your ear, the Honor Magic V6 will know, and then it will pause the media. The moment you put it back, the media continues to play. Now, of course, on your iPhone, we always get to enjoy this service called Find My, whereby we get to find our devices, right? Now, on the Honor Magic V6, we can also enable Find My and find our AirPods earbuds, just in case we lose it in, I don't know, in your house, your room or whatever, by playing music. And then as you can see here, it plays a loud music and you can detect the location of your hidden AirPods instantly. Amazing, right? Now that you have the Honor Workstation app installed on your Mac or your MacBook, turn on Magic Ring and then it will show your Honor Magic V6 in the list. Tap on it and instantly you get to access all the files and folders of your Honor Magic V6 on the MacBook screen. So from here, you can just double tap to view photos, to view files, or you can download them to your Mac. Super fast, super instant. I actually am quite impressed that this works flawlessly from my experience. Now that we have talked about how the Honor Magic V6 can actually support the Apple ecosystem with the Mac, with the iPhone, and also with the AirPods, do you know what's left? This thing on my wrist, the Apple Watch. Okay, so now the moment you have enabled and also connected the Magic Ring and also syncing of notifications, the moment you get a notification, whether it's on your Magic V6 or on your iPhone, it appears everywhere. So like what you see here, if I get a message on my iPhone, I will see it on my Apple Watch, and at the same time, it also appears on my Honor Magic V6. Exactly the same message, exactly the same time. So you don't need to reach out so many devices. You can just, while scrolling on the big screen on this Honor Magic V6, you can also interact and see all the notifications that you get on your iPhone. Another amazing feature. You know what? After sharing with you all the information about how the foldable is now able to support the Apple ecosystem, it actually can do a lot more than the iPhone 17 Pro Max in my hand here. Certain things, because the screen is bigger, so it is better for games, for work, for AI, and it's also smarter in a few ways. So for example, if you are viewing something, right? You're viewing the Ferrari Luce here, like me, okay, I'm thinking to buy this Ferrari in the future. And then I want to ask question to Gemini, like, hey, how much is it, or where can I get it? The easiest way to do it is this feature called Fast Flex. So with this Fast Flex feature, we can instantly bring up Google Gemini by just flexing the foldable screen a little bit. And as you can see, it separates the screen into half, and then Gemini comes to play, and then you can straight away ask Gemini any questions you want. So that's Fast Flex. There's also another feature called Multi-Flex, okay? So basically, it's not for you to flex your foldable to your friends lah. It's basically a feature for you to open multiple apps at the same time. So to open the apps, multiple apps at the same time, at the bottom of the screen, there is this toolbar Okay, there's a dock here, and then if you tap on this button, it will ask you want to open 2 apps or if you want to open 3 apps. So if you want to open 2 apps or 3 apps, you get to choose the 3 apps that you want. So for example, if I pick booking.com, and then if I open another, which is a Play Store, and then open my photos gallery, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so you get all 3 of your apps on the screen, and you can just freely scroll them however you want, and also resize them, and also transfer files between all these folders. So I would say that this is truly a multi-flex, because only with a screen like this, okay, on a foldable, you are able to open 3 apps at the same time. And all these apps are actually the same size and ratio as the app if you open it on a single screen bar phone like this. Okay, so you can actually use this app and multi-flex it to multiple friends. Now, the Honor Magic V6 seems to be very powerful, right? Because it supports all those things from Apple. You can do multi-flex, you can do fast flex, you can play games and everything. And that's because it's got a very powerful processor, and that's the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 plus Honor's E2 chip. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is actually a 3nm chip that delivers more than 20% faster single core and 23% faster GPU, and also 37% more NPU performance compared to the previous generation. And let's quickly go through a little bit about photography on the Honor Magic V6 with the foldable larger screen. Okay, so with this larger screen, you can do dual screen live preview, and that also means when you're taking a picture of your friend, you are enjoying the big screen, right? Your friend can also enjoy the view using the external screen, so they can actually look at themselves, do some arrangement of the hair and the shirt, and then pose for your photo. So both person can actually see the camera at the same time. Speaking of camera, let's talk a little bit about the camera specs, okay? So the Honor Magic V6 has a 50 megapixel main camera, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with a 1/2-inch sensor and 3x optical zoom, which can achieve up to CIPA 6.5 rated OIS, which is super stable when you zoom. And then there's also 50 megapixel ultra wide and also a dual 20 megapixel front camera. And dual means one on the external screen and one on the internal screen, with AI Beauty and also AI Face Tune features. So what do you think? Would you think that the Honor Magic V6 is the perfect companion for iPhone users to pair with your iPhone and also your AirPods and also your Apple Watch and also your Mac? If you do think so and is considering to buy one of the most durable foldable in the market now, let me show you the price, okay? So the Honor Magic V6 16GB RAM with 512GB ROM costs 7699 ringgit, and the 16GB RAM with 1TB of storage costs 8899 ringgit. So if you love Apple or Android devices, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Press the subscribe button below this video and also press the bell beside it so you get notified when I upload new videos. Share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo! 6, 7,